Hello everyone. In this video I'll be talking about this medicine by Lemsip, a well-known medicine that works perfectly for me. But this is called Lemsip cough for a mucus cough and catarrh. Now this works perfectly and is targeted mainly to relief from tickly cough and sore throat. And obviously having sore throat or tickly cough is annoying, and this is something targets it quickly and basically has that effect straight away. And it also has a dual relief, so that's a good thing. It has a deep soothing. It's non-drowsy, so it won't make you feel like going to sleep or anything like that. And it's suitable for adults and children 12 plus. It has active ingredients, also contains ethanol, E214, E218, E216 and water. And it's a medication that has a symptomatic relief, okay, very quick effect I would say. And Lemsip do tend to have a quick effect and tend to work very smoothly. And this is one for the mucus cough that highly works. So thank you for watching my video. Please do give a like and subscribe.